Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, men and women of goodwill. This is afternoon edition of Lamentation. Your original pilot is still Emmanuel Remigius. Let us move, please. If you are watching this very program, share across every other platform, hit the like button. Do well to invite your friends and well wishers. And if you wish to support me based on this very platform, you can simply go by giving me super chats. That's part of the way to support me on this very platform. Let us move, please. So this afternoon, I got an information that Kanunta and the family updated that the Umuada of Afaraukwu is thanking God for the release of their son, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want all of you to know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not only your brother, but the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, unless you people have reduced him to family business. And I heard that he was dancing. If he is being released, we need to know Biafra people ought to celebrate because it is celebration time. It is because of him that every Monday we sit at home. It is because of him that most of us went to exile. It is because of him, to free him, that the DOS criminals killed our people, maimed our people, because so many people refuse to lay down their ngongog. It is because of him. So if he's being released, you people should tell us. Or is there any other thing that you people are hiding? Maybe una go let us know at the appointed time. So if our leader is being released, as they said, and as the information that I got this afternoon said, kudos, congrats, you are welcome, my leader. Now, the attention where attention is needed now is on how to free Simon, Mazi Simon Eba, PM, Mazi Simon Eba, keep on tagging Finland to the atrocities of Nigerian government. I saw some of our daughters, our mothers, inside motor, going to somewhere. How police people brutalize them. I equally see some of our children heading because their crime is driving SUV and their crime is looking neat. They were manhandled like a common criminal. It has become a custody of the occupying force of the Nigerian Caliphate in Biafra land. Let them know that all of them are occupying forces. Never again is now. We are going to proclaim the territorial integrity of the Biafra people, and we are going to proclaim our land. It doesn't matter how irats that you raise, it doesn't matter how many Confucianists that you raise, it doesn't matter how many divide and rule that you bring. This game we go play until finish. It doesn't matter how many people you kidnap and buy. You see me, eh? If I die, I go possess many people. Ha! If I mistakenly die, I go possess many people. Then you have many people to contend with. That rubbish. And I heard that Unbuo, our people, if it is a very powerful somebody who offers sacrifice, it is the person who accepted the sacrifice of leaving this planet to another world. You are using sacrifice to elevate that person in another world. The person will first of all fight for this particular world. I know how all those rubbish work. Congrats to my leader. Our attention must be focused on alerting the Finnish government. I equally watch 247, Mazi 247's program, where he played a video of Vam 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 interviewing somebody, and the person said that was on 3rd January. 3rd January, he interviewed the person where they went to protest, and the person said, I spoke with Prime Minister yesterday night when he saw him in this arena, meaning that Prime Minister was around there free, and he said that Prime Minister was jogging. So maybe Vam Vam Vam's attention was not on what he's saying, or maybe they were targeting today that they are running propaganda. I don't send anybody. So our attention must be on how to free our Prime Minister, and I heard that Prime Minister have kept consistent communication. It's not that he is not incommunicado. He have keep consistent communication. It is well done, and we want to see him join us in no distance time. Please, we want to see him join us in no distance time. Now, all the attention, the atrocities of Nigerian government is raised high. The atrocities of the criminal DOS is also raised high. Since the disappearance of Mazi Simon Ekpa, have you seen them talk? What they now do now is they are fighting. That is the only thing. And in the words of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he said, ọ bụrụ na your enemies chọọ ka egbuo onye a, support onye aha ka egbuo ya, know that something is wrong with you. And my attention is how will Biafra will territorial integrity be restored. And my support is to the Biafra government. They have my full support. They have my full support unequivocally. Unequivocally. Let us focus our attention in the atrocities of Nigerian government. And you would recall now, many of you people do not know what Uchemefo said yesterday. Many of you do not understand. Because some of you, your attention is to because I'm not supporting the criminals that you are supporting. You can cry and get tired and get out of here. I know send you. My own is to pursue Biafra. It doesn't matter how many years it takes. Biafra will be restored. Its territorial integrity will be restored before all of you. I have not come in this very struggle because of any man or any woman. I have come to recognize the territorial integrity of Biafra. That is what I have come to fight for, the recognition. It has been declared, and we must pursue its territorial integrity. We are at the final stage, and the zoo have come to put confusion. Never again is now. We must continue. Like what Uchemefo said yesterday, that the DOS are now working with Nigerian government at the expense of Biafra people due to what? Mazi Simon Ekpa have outshined them and pushed them into oblivious. That is the reason why they are now working with the DSS. They are equally welcome. They told me that before I ran away in Nigeria. They said, if they can't get me, DSS will get me. That was what they said. And this group of criminals who have killed our people, maimed our people, suppressed our people, just because of one Nigeria. The people calling you Nigerian agent is using green, white, green as a flag of Nigeria in the website. In their in their logo. Go and check it. Green, white, green, designing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with green, white, green. And that rubbish is what they want me to support. I can never. And let it be known that the only reason why they did not change Mazi Nnamdi Kanu clothes is because most of you will jettison the current green, white, green that you design in your Facebook platform to propagate one Nigeria. That is what you people are doing. Green, white, green stands for the propagation of one Nigeria. That is the only reason why they have to leave him with white, white, white to maintain the green, white, green that you people are using to design your platforms. Let me focus my attention. Our attention must be on what Uchemefo said. And they equally told me that if they can't get me, they will get the DSS. But we have overridden them. We are at the last fight. Remember, they said instead of Simon Ekpa to get Biafra, let them dabaru the chain. And we can never qualify the Biafra agitation because we have come a long way. A lot of people died. I have seen hell. There is no way we can qualify the Biafra agitation. It must continue. Before me, before you, Biafra must be achieved. It doesn't matter their lies, deceit, propaganda, and everything. Biafra must be declared before me and you. Never again is now. To you, I don't think that never again is yesterday. It is now. We must continue alerting the world on the impunity, the war, the genocide, the bombardment of the Biafra territory. We must continue. So if our leader is released, he is welcome. Once again, you are welcome. But Kanunta Kanu, una need to update us. If he is freed, as you people are typing, unless before, because I know that you people are in there is no. Show me one good thing that you people have done, if not buying our people. It is only the only savior that came from that family is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Otherwise, all of you are rubbish. Telling the Nigerian politicians, telling us that our leader have given command that we should follow the Nigerian politicians, telling us rubbish. That is the only thing. After you might have had tea and discuss with Nigerian politicians, you come to tell us rubbish. Never again is not yesterday. In Israel, never again is now. Before me, never again is now. We must continue to defend Biafra. Long live the Republic of Biafra. Long live all of you who knows the truth and stand on the truth. Not the yeye people calling me for war useless attention. Your propaganda lies and deceit will never change your man. Jews. I did not start with lies and propaganda, and I will not stop. And I have watched some of the Mugus who told me, I told them that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in his house. But when I updated that we don't know where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is it not you people that came and told me, look at what this person said, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in his house. Look at what he said, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I even reached out to a lot number of people who consistently lied to me. Most of them made a mistake in their reportage because they were trying to be accurate, but they made a mistake. But these same criminals who are now telling me, I told them that Onyendu is in his house. Yeah, is it not your information minister, not government? Is it not what your information minister put in the public that I update? Never knew that they are deceiving Biafra people. I know Sando now. Bring that propaganda. Me, I stand gidibam kanyegia, and the nenyegia physical, nenyegia spiritual. Go and ask of a man like Orobi Jews be free yara, a bieba, wogara, unyeju, yakoludo. From me from here. Ngozi Orabeze, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, keep on leading us. Onye na-ekweghị anyị kwetere ya, onye iwe na-ewe ya ga-aga ọgọ transformer. I wonder, no recognition, you have not gotten to your promised land. People are telling me, go and read the Constitution. Where do you think that the Constitution, you will use it now? Okay, if you are going to use the Constitution now, why is it that you did not start alerting PM? About the Constitution. Mgbe enwetara Constitution, ekwuola ya eshi akwari government. But he have ordered, now after the restoration of Biafra, this government will be dissolved. Why can't you go through that Constitution? There, when we get to Biafra is when that Constitution that you have updated is valid. As of now, we are trying to defend the territorial integrity. Some of you don't know what is freedom. There is no way, any shape or form, anywhere, any government in exile use Constitution. If you use that, enemies are going to lobby some people. Okay, if you are using Constitution, where is your senator? Where is your chamber? Is that Constitution, does that Constitution not recognize that thing? Who are the senators representing everywhere? Where is the parliament? Ndimbu. When we get to Biafra, that Constitution will come in play. And I may make on here with those who doesn't know how freedom is being fought. And when this in a university, they don't know how freedom is being fought. And they use the Decree 9, where they are fighting for freedom. Everything is put in place to your Constitution. When we get that recognition from America mostly, that Constitution automatically comes to play. If you don't know, I'm telling you now, that is how freedom is being fought. go and ask from me from here with the love in my heart. I say good afternoon from here, please.